What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna share a tip on your Windows computer that can make your laptop, your PC, your gamer PC faster and save a lot of disk space, okay, in order to solve both problems in a free, simple, fast and effective method, okay, that you can do from time to time, maybe 2 times per year, 3 times per year, okay. So, before I can start, take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours so you can be part of the Visual Modo family, okay? And let's get this started, okay? First of all, this is the tutorial to delete the temp files that your computer used to save in order to doing some processes, and Windows does this a lot, so we must remove this. And how to do this? First of all, we need to find the temp folder, okay, the temp files folder, the place where the folder is, so we can delete it all. How to do this? We're gonna type Windows plus R, so into our keyboard hold your finger into the Windows button plus the R button at the same time, okay? And from here into the run, we're gonna open the percentage symbol, temp percentage symbol. This is all we have to do. After this, we're gonna click on OK. This gonna opens up this file. As you can see, there's a lot of folders right here. You have no need to open one by one, okay? You can delete it all. To delete it all, we can select all, okay? Normally we do this using Ctrl plus A into our keyboard, and then you can type the key on your keyboard, delete. You must give access to your admin files. No need to worry, okay? Normally Windows will not let you delete any important file, okay, that are needed, but in the case that you prefer, you can skip, okay, in the case that you prefer, but I recommend that you delete. You can always do whatever you want, but it's up to you. As you can see, there is still a couple of files right here that we were unable to delete. And normally we can keep trying in order to delete according to the process that is running on your computer. But as you can check, we already deleted a lot of files and saved a couple of disk space that can make our computer fast and better, okay? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin in order to create amazing websites for free, in addition to our Imajinn WordPress theme, in order to have pre-built websites, templates, and menus customization options in the case that you have a website. And don't forget to check the visualmodo.com, our amazing blog full of tutorials, guides, styles up, and many more things in order to use internet on your favor. And if you want to be our client and our customer, you can go for the Visual Modo Pass in order to unlock our pre-built websites, templates, icons, full support, premium widgets, templates, sections, and many more topics in order to create an amazing website in no time based on WordPress, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you later. All the best!